All right, we are out here pre-fishing. The Yak-A-Bass 6-lake tournament is comprised of Clear Lake, Berryessa, I think McClure, I think New Melones, and Folsom. I think it's one other lake. We get to choose which lake we want to fish, and I have chosen mine, and Alice Fisher has chosen hers as well. It's the same lake, obviously. That's where we're at. Take you along for the day, and hopefully we figure out a pattern and something we can use tomorrow. All right, let's go fishing. All right, this looks, these mats have not fully come in yet, but they look good. Let's see if frog bite is on over here. Frog bite not looking great. All right, headed your way.
Oh no, I think I just got.
No, I see what you saw. I don't know what that is. I do hate this grass though. It's like too much. I don't know. I'm not liking what this is looking like. Man, this grass is just everywhere. Oh, that's like a 4-pounder. Nice job, babe. Damn.
Oh god, I know, you're hella mad.
That's a good one. Oh, that's definitely a good fish. Is it a good one?
I don't need a picture, I'll show you later though.
Cool, over. Oh my god. She just caught a limit. I give up. I gotta see what you're throwing. And it's that tattletale worm?
Yep.
Wow. We're gonna go around this grass line. Well, you weren't wrong. Damn. No, he's okay. All right. It's a good one. About 18. Nice. I still need to catch my... Well, I guess I don't need to catch a bag today, but... You caught your bag.
I do not measure them.
You caught it. You just don't know how long. I wonder if they're in the thickest stuff too, as opposed to just like right on the edge. I don't know. Could be. On. Weedless high-tech. Electric. I think it might be I think you might have bought these. 15 and a half. Look at that. Oh, I deserve that. I saw movement too. I saw movement too. Got him. All right. That's an okay one.
Color white.
Yeah. It's fun. Oh, the top of this mat's so warm. It's so gross. But once you get underneath it, it's cool. Okay. I'm on. Did you see that? Oh. All right. Now we're talking. 17 3/4. All right, buddy. Thanks. Huh? Like really, you want to make a lot of commotion. Yeah, and you want to pause, like in the openings, just to give them a chance to snag it, or snack on it. Don't forget to pause. There you go. Nice. Bring it in. You got him. Nice. Looks like somebody lost their paddle. Oh my gosh, she did it. Give me my hand now. Hey guys, what's going on? As you can probably tell, it has been a couple weeks since that actual video was recorded. I just now got around to editing it. And I realized that I did not have an outro. So I'm here kind of summing up the day with you here in my home office. So just to give you a brief overview, so we went out and we launched at a place we were pretty familiar with, and I hit the topwater frog pretty hard for the first couple of hours, and nothing happened. I couldn't get one bite, so that was super discouraging. I went out to the main lake to meet up with Alice, and I found out that she was actually doing pretty well fishing around that grass area. So I chatted with her about that a little bit and kind of got an idea what she was doing. I went ahead and did some bubba shotting around like the open grass edge area. Wound up catching one good one, but that was it. So I kind of switched up and kind of ran through some other baits. Caught another one, just kind of fishing a Kitech, a little swim bait, weedless, on top of the grass pretty quickly. But again, I couldn't replicate it. So, you know, as they say, it's like, you know, one's luck, two's a pattern. I'd been just catching one-off fish on these one-off baits, so I didn't consider it a pattern at all. And that was kind of it for the main lake area. We actually, I mean, probably around, I want to say around like 11 o'clock, we headed back in toward kind of like the slough area. And you know, I picked up the frog again and did some frogging, and obviously we did okay with the frog at high noon. So kind of went into tournament day with that in mind as well. But for the most part, I mean, we really couldn't, I mean, I personally couldn't figure out a pattern for that day. So I knew going into tournament day, the day would kind of be a little bit like pre-fishing, just trying to figure out a pattern for the day and hopefully figuring it out quickly. So that was it for pre-fishing day. It kind of left me a little bummed out going into tournament day, but we'll see how it goes. I'll probably cut that video here in the next day or so and drop it probably maybe 3 or 4 days from the date that I dropped this pre-fishing video. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you then.